Hey, what's up YouTube? It's me again, back at it again, this time with the 2005 Ford F150 with 287,000 miles. All maintenance done by myself, and so on and so on. Anyways, compressor, clutch, bearing on this compressor, because obviously it's bad. Look at all that play. I just wanted to make a quick video because I couldn't find any videos how to remove the AC compressor on these Fords. And what you actually have to do is take off the air filter, the elbow, and this piece for the radiator, and the radiator fan shroud, and the radiator fan. Once you get all that, you remove your clamp attached to the radiator to get the fan shroud out. If you don't remove that, you won't be able to get it out. And also be careful when you take the fan shroud, because these transmission lines, they're pretty sensitive. So if you wiggle them, they'll end up loosening, and over time they'll just pop out and you'll have another bigger problem. So be careful when you take the fan shroud out, because you will damage those. And then to remove the AC compressor, go down here. It's right here, and it is 3 10mm bolts. See, one right here, the other one right there, and the third one is behind this wire. I already got 2 of them loosened, but I just wanted to make this quick video. So pop these. Take this out. You're only going to be able to get the 2 bottom bolts out, because the third one, you have to remove it, you have to take the compressor out. So now once you get that one out, come back on top. Come over here, pull this bad boy out. Let's see. Let's get sorry. And there you go. Just gotta be good. This bolt keeps getting in the way. Sorry, it's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Anyways, got it out. That's how you take it out. And then you disconnect the sensor, so you can get that out. And also these, it's an 8mm. These are 8mm screws. So get those out for the fan shroud.